Welcome to this video tutorial from Business Gateway on how to create an effective email marketing strategy. In this session, you'll learn about the key components of a successful email marketing campaign and the best practices you need to use to implement better email marketing. If you're new to all of this, then before we get going, just a little reminder that Business Gateway can support you on this journey. This video tutorial aims to give you a good understanding of the basics to consider. But if you need more help, then get in touch with your local Business Gateway office direct and they'll be able to help you get started. Well, email marketing is a powerful tool for businesses of all sizes. When it's used correctly, it can help you build relationships with customers, increase brand awareness, and drive sales. Today, we'll explore why email marketing is such a beneficial marketing channel and how you can use it to grow your business. Email marketing is the use of email to promote your brand, sell products or services, and build relationships with customers. It's a direct form of digital marketing that, when done right, can yield impressive results. An email marketing tool is used to send carefully written content out to groups of your subscribed audience members. Whilst email marketing has been around for some time, it remains one of the most effective ways to reach your audience. With over 4 billion daily email users worldwide, and with 50% of these users actually buying from email marketing communications, it's a channel that allows you to meet your customers where they already are, in their inboxes. Throughout this tutorial, we'll walk you through a step-by-step process for creating an email marketing strategy that works for your business. Email marketing offers numerous benefits, especially for SMEs with limited time and marketing budgets. Email marketing is a channel that helps your brand stay top of mind with your customers, provides a high return on your time and money investment, allows you to automate communications, saving you time, is a highly personal push medium, allowing direct communication with your audience. A push medium channel means that you have the ability to push a notification or email out, potentially interrupting a customer's day. This is why it's important to make sure that the content you send is valuable and interesting to your customers. Let's dive into the key stages of an effective email marketing strategy. These are the 10 main steps. Step 1. Decide on your purpose and goals for your efforts in email marketing. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve with your email marketing? Some common goals include establishing brand clarity, being clear about what your brand offers customers and why they should be interested. Staying top of mind with your audience, with company news or changes in your products or service. Driving traffic to your website or social media. Building trust through educational content to both demonstrate your understanding of a customer problem and supporting them with hints and tips. Increasing sales through promotions or upselling to other offerings. Demonstrating credibility with customer stories, testimonials, or feedback. Building customer loyalty with special benefits or referral programs. Step 2. Identify your customers and get focused on what they would want to read in their inbox. When you understand your customer and you can communicate your brand in a customer-centric way, creating email content can be easy. Consider creating a customer persona of your target audience. What do they struggle with? What do they want to achieve? What do they consider when buying something similar to what you offer? A customer persona is almost like a semi-fictitious Facebook profile of your ideal customer. It's the key to creating content that your customers will actually read and engage with. With a good understanding of your target customers, we can move to step 3 and grow your audience into strategic groups. Customers buy for different reasons, and you might offer various solutions to different problems. Customizing content to the needs and wants of your different types of customers makes your email marketing more engaging because you're starting to make your marketing more personal to your customers. And this is called segmentation. Segmentation allows you to appear more personal and direct to your prospective customers, showing an understanding of the problems that you help customers to solve. Step 4. Where do we find the content ideas for emails? Well, we do research, and there's many places we can look. Your first source of research is your customer, particularly the customer profile that you made in step 3. Your email content needs to be valuable and add value. It shouldn't just be a sales pitch. We can also look at your business activity, repurpose content from your blog or social media, and stay up to date with sector news. Remember to try and relate your email content back to what your customer will find interesting, entertaining, or valuable. Another hugely helpful tool for research is AI. AI tools are incredibly helpful in brainstorming creative email content ideas. Tools like Canva Pro and Claude offer paid access to easy AI brainstorming, and ChatGPT can be used for free. However, don't be tempted to directly copy and paste AI content. That can be obvious to readers. You should use it to either brainstorm new topic ideas or to refine and reword your own content. Step 5 in your plan for effective email marketing is another research method, competitor research. Don't forget to research your competitors' email strategy. Sign up for their email lists to see how they communicate, what promotions they run, and how they sell their offerings. Well, let's move on to step 6, how we build your audience. Building your email list is crucial, but it must be done in compliance with UK GDPR. Always get specific permission to contact people for marketing purposes. This can be done with opt-in checkboxes that relate to clearly worded agreement statements. Make sure customers can easily opt out at any time with unsubscribe links in every email. Your list growth strategy is crucial to the effectiveness of your overall strategy. To grow your email list, offer incentives like free guides, special offers, or exclusive content to those who sign up. Make sure these offers provide real value to your audience and promote these offerings on your website. Step 7. What email marketing software should you use? The email marketing tool that you select to implement your strategy should be one that's easy to use at a budget that works for your business. There are many email marketing platforms on the market, but you should select one based on a few important factors. Ease of use. Software that's easy to use will actually get used. Budget. There are many free marketing tools, but bear in mind that free services often come with limitations. GDPR compliance. Most tools on the market have built-in GDPR features, but these should still be checked. Here's step 8. It's important to test any emails that you want to send to check how they look on mobile devices and test all links and buttons. Most email tools offer testing features that allow you to send draft emails to yourself before you send them to customers, making sure you can give your emails a test drive and fix issues before sending them out to your audience. After launching, it's crucial to measure your results, and this is step 9. Your chosen email marketing tool will display many metrics that allow you to assess the performance of your strategy. However, too many metrics can often be overwhelming. The positive metrics that we should be looking to improve over time are open rate. This shows the effectiveness of your subject lines. Click-through rate indicates the engagement of your content. Conversion rate. This measures the overall effectiveness of your strategy. And the negative metrics that we should be looking to decrease are spam complaints, customers that report your emails as spam, bounce rate, emails that can't be delivered to the recipient, unsubscribe rate. This measures how many customers unsubscribe from your list. Metrics are important to keep track of because they'll define how you adjust your efforts in future. Subtle changes to your metrics are normal, but rapid changes should be investigated. Step 10. The final and most important step for making your email strategy effective. Improve and repeat. The plan that we've reviewed in this tutorial is more like a cycle. In the first campaign that you launch, many assumptions are being made, from the content you write to the design of your emails. Email campaigns get better over time, but only by trying new ideas, monitoring metrics, making adjustments to your plan, implementing a new and improved strategy, and repeating the cycle. If you follow these 10 steps, your email marketing strategy will become a hugely valuable and effective part of your overall marketing plan. There's more to explore with email marketing, which we cover in the full Business Gateway webinar. Head over to the webinars and events page to book into this webinar and find other webinars, in-person events and tutorials designed to support you and your team, whatever stage your business is at.